before this game, I told to my players na it is a defensive game. So proper mindset and mental toughness was very important. We talk about number one and number two on defense. Kaya medyo yung frustrations, yung yun ang iniingatan namin eh. So we don't want to get frustrated because of the defensive stops. So yun yung mga pinag-usapan namin bago mag-game na to. So I am very happy with the result. We played for 48 minutes with Star Hot Shots basketball, with the proper defense, and we did a good job on Stephenson, limiting him dun sa pagiging activity niya dun sa inside. Sana. Hindi. Medyo maganda talaga yung depensa namin. So, na-limit namin sila siguro under 90 points eh. So, they are number one in defense. Points allowed. We're number two on defense and points allowed. So, kaya yung pinag-usapan namin, defensive game talaga tong laro na to.